Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you are watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. I'm so excited for this episode because we actually have a Pride themed episode in honor of June being Pride Month. We're gonna be sharing our favorite Pride lip art look with you guys. Alfie Lux is coming in to talk about what beauty means to him, and of course, we have a giveaway at the end of the episode that you need to stick around for. But first, let's take a look at the newest launches from Fluide, which is a makeup company that gives back to the LGBTQ community with every single purchase, which is incredible. So they launched a couple new products, one of them being these two new lip glosses. And these are really pretty neutral colors, so they could go with anything, and it's just so great because you actually are giving back to the community. So these lip glosses have really moisturizing ingredients in them. They have aloe vera, lip plumping collagen, so if you want that plump little smooch. They also have vitamin E and jojoba seed oil, so they're just super moisturizing on the lips, and they're also perfect for layering on top of Fluide's other products, like their liquid lipstick, for example, just to add some more sparkle and shine and a conditioning factor. So those are awesome. They also launched some new nail lacquers. There's 3 new shades, but Fluide's nail polish is awesome because it's actually 7 free. So that means that you'll never find those 7 suspect ingredients that are traditionally found in nail polishes. So that's amazing because that makes them non-toxic, and they're also cruelty-free and vegan. And we really wanted to highlight Fluide today because 5% of Fluide's profits actually go straight back into supporting the LGBTQ community, especially supporting health and legal rights in the community. So that's amazing. So let us know in the comment section, what are your favorite products that we just showed and which ones do you want to try? Now let's take a look at some Pride lip art with IPSY Open Studios member, Simply Alex. Thanks, Alex, for that colorful and fun rainbow inspo. It was so cute. So tell us in the comment section, guys, what are you doing this month for Pride? Are you heading to a Pride parade? Are you gonna dress up? Are you gonna do it up? Let us know in the comment section. Let's welcome Alfie Lux, an amazing beauty influencer and makeup artist. So when did you first get interested in makeup?
I think I got interested when I was watching fashion shows, like when I was like a teenager.
Yeah, so much inspo.
Because I went to fashion school, so I would always like watch all the Paris like runway shows, and I thought it was like really, really cool. But it was like a whole moment, like the clothes, the makeup. I think that's what like initially got me into makeup.
What would you say is your beauty accomplishment, your biggest beauty accomplishment?
I think so far, it's been being able to work with brands that I never thought would even like work with me or like even notice me. But I think also like the next big one would be inspiring as many people as I have been, because I constantly get like DMs like on the daily saying like, oh my god, like thank you for like, you know, just being you and like putting yourself out there, because there's like certain places in the world where like you can't wear makeup, or like if you wear makeup and you're a boy, like it's not okay.
And like, how do you feel when people say that makeup is just for girls? How does that make you feel?
Number one, bye.
Yes.
When I used to work for MAC, I hated hearing moms say like, don't touch that, that's for girls. Like it would just like not sit well with me, just because I was brought up the same way, and I completely disagree. I think makeup is for everyone, and that's what I like stand by. It's all about like who you are.
It's so great to hear that like you're so inspiring to your followers. How do you hope to inspire the next generation to like break boundaries?
I think just going for it. Like not really taking into perspective what anyone might say. I think that's the biggest thing, because sometimes we get in our own heads, or we're like, oh my god, what is this person gonna think? Or like, what is my parents gonna think? And just kind of like letting go and just trying it out. I mean, it's makeup. You can just wash it off at the end of the day.
Right.
So I think just going for it.
Good, just go for it, just do it. Thanks so much for coming on, Alfie.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
You guys have to follow Alfie on Instagram. It's at I am Alfie Lux, and on YouTube, it's Alfie Lux. This week we're giving away all of the products that we featured from Fluide at the top of the show, and all you have to do to win is comment down below what makes you feel the most uniquely beautiful. So that is all we have time for today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you have to tune in next week because we're having Lily Galici on the show, and we're gonna be doing an interview with her just about beauty, baby, and being a boss, all the good things we like. So I'm Roxette Arisa. Thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY, and we'll see you next time. Bye.